Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. I welcome you all to my channel Balcony Roots. Look at this rose blooming so well, beautiful yellow color. There are some more going to come up very soon. This one will come up, and here is one nice red color rose that's going to come up. Here my orange rose will also come, and this rose plant has to now work on some new buds have to get formed on this one now. What is the common question that I have come across as a gardener from most of my relatives or my friends is when they see my pictures of the rose that I put up on my status or on my phone or anywhere, they ask me how to take care. So I just would like to share some simple tips on taking care of rose plants, especially the potted ones. See, it's easy to take care of the plants which are there on the ground because the soil takes care of providing the extra nutrition, and the rainwater that falls on the soil that also gives enough nutrition to the rose plant. Then there are these dry leaves which will fall on the ground, and that forms decomposes, and that also gives the compost manure to the rose plants. So rose plants on inside the pots, you need to take care of them a little bit, and you will get very good blooms. So I just would like to share a few tips on that. One major thing that we always come across with rose plant is these kind of yellow leaves. Okay, this is basically a fungal issue on your rose plant. What happens is when we have plants in our pots, sometimes we would not know whether the amount of water that we are pouring onto the pots are they enough or not. So this happens when there is a slight fungal issue with your rose plant. What is happening is the overwatering is causing some kind of fungal issues to the roots. All that you need to do is reduce your watering. Okay, just let the top layer of the soil dry out, but don't let it dry completely. Reduce the watering. Like if you're watering it on a regular basis, on every day basis, then maybe stop for one day and then water it again. Maybe make it an alternate day. Okay. Second thing that you should do is you should dig the soil. What happens is sometimes the top layer becomes very hard and stiff, so the aeration is not happening. Okay, and because of that the roots are rotting from inside, which is leading to this kind of fungal issue. Normally if you ask a gardener, they will all suggest you to go for a antifungal powder, okay, which will and then do a spray or something like that. But if you look at a person who is just just taking some pot and they just want to start with gardening, who would not have these kind of powders or these kind of extra chemicals with them, so for them the simple trick is stop watering, make it an alternate day kind of watering. Okay, don't overwater is what causes this fungal issue. Secondly, every time the rose has bloomed completely, cut the rose. Okay, because this rose is pulling all the energy to be in good color and good the petals in good shape. So after I agree that rose do look good on the plant, but after 2 days you can cut it, and when you cut it about this. If you see here, this particular branch has 5 leaves, 1 2 3 4 and 5, but this one has only 3 leaves, and here also it has only 3 leaves. So cut it above the 5 leaf section, because your new shoots will come from this place, from the place where the 5 leaves are there. Okay, that means because this area is strong enough to come up with a new shoot, but not this area. So that is why cut it from the place where there are 5 leaves, just above that. In this particular portion you can cut it. Okay, and yeah, so one is reduce the watering. And yes, third point that I would like to tell you is keep the rose in well lit area, somewhere where there is good sunlight coming up, because when you keep the rose in a closed area and you're watering, the top soil is not drying, so then your rose plant is definitely going to have a problem, because the water needs to dry, the plant needs to absorb the water or whatever nutrients you're giving, and then it has to again wait for the next round. So that is one of the major thing. Keep it in a well lit area, a place which has good sunlight and good air circulation. Second thing is reduce the watering, probably make it an alternate day kind of thing. And third, dig the soil so that the aeration is happening in the soil. Okay, so these are the 3 simple steps which you could follow when you have a problem with your rose plant, when you see this kind of yellow petals in your rose plant. Yeah, and one more last thing you could do is remove these leaves. Okay, remove these yellow leaves and throw them not near the rose plant. Okay, throw them away, because these are basically leaves which have fungus. So if you throw them near the plant, it could affect your plant, so throw them away from the plant. Just follow these 4 tips and I'm sure you will have good blooms with your rose plant. So see you again in another video. Until then, I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel Balcony Roots. Bye bye.